Hey, everyone! Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating issue that many Windows 10 users face. When you can't type in the Windows 10 search bar or when the Start menu search just stops working altogether. If you've been stuck with this issue and aren't sure how to fix it, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through several methods to get your search bar and Start menu back in working order. So let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is restart the Windows search service, which is often the quickest fix for issues with the search bar. To start, you'll want to right-click on the taskbar. When you right-click on the search bar, a menu will appear. Now, from the menu, select Task Manager from the options. Once you're in Task Manager, you will see multiple tabs at the top of the Task Manager. From these, navigate to the Services tab. This is where all the background services running on your computer are listed. After that, click on the Open Services option. Now, scroll through until you find Windows Search. Once you find it, right-click on it, and you'll see an option to restart the service. If the service is disabled, there's an extra step you need to take. Right-click on Windows Search again. But this time, go to Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Startup Type. Set this to Automatic Delayed Start to make sure the service starts every time you boot up your PC. After applying these settings, go ahead and restart the service once more. This simple restart might just fix your issue right away. If restarting the Windows search service doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to rebuild the search index. The search index is what allows Windows to quickly find your files, apps, and settings. When this index becomes corrupted, it can cause problems with the search functionality. To rebuild the index, you'll need to open the Control panel. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R key, typing Control in the dialog box, and after typing, hitting Enter. Once you're in the Control panel, change the view to small icons to see all the available settings. Find and click on Indexing Options. In the window that opens, look for the Advanced button and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to rebuild the index. Click on the Rebuild, and then click on the OK. Clicking Rebuild will start the process, but keep in mind that it may take some time depending on how many files you have on your system. Once the indexing process is finished, try using the search bar again to see if the issue is resolved. If your problem's still there and not fixed, now, click on the window icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then click on the power, and then click on the restart to restart your computer. After restarting your computer or PC, your problem will be solved. And that's it. By now, your search bar and Start menu should be back to working as they should. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.